In today's fast-paced world, productivity apps are essential tools for staying organized and efficient, from powerful task management tools like Todoist and Complex.so, which help you stay organized and on top of your goals, to innovative apps like Headspace for mental clarity and Forest for focused work. These apps offer something for every productivity need. In this video, we'll explore some of the top productivity apps of 2024 that can revolutionize your workflow. Let's dive into 11 best tools to stay productive. We should note that even though they are numbered, these aren't listed in any specific order or ranking. Forest, the app that turns staying focused into a fun challenge by growing a virtual forest while you concentrate. Dawn, a sleek and minimalist calendar app to keep your events organized. Headspace, find your focus and reduce stress with guided meditations designed to boost your mental clarity. Complex.so, a powerful tool to organize every task, big or small, with flexibility that adapts to your work and life. Claude.ai, your AI-powered assistant for answering questions and brainstorming. Google Keep, a fast, no-frills note-taking app that keeps your thoughts and ideas easily accessible. Todoist, a comprehensive task management app that makes it simple to plan, prioritize, and crush your to-dos. Tella, create polished and professional video tutorials quickly, perfect for sharing your ideas visually. Linear, designed for teams managing complex projects, offering structure and speed to help you stay ahead. Midjourney, when your creative project needs stunning AI-generated imagery, this is your go-to tool. Frozen Lemons, a unique service to help you brainstorm clever and creative names for your business in no time.